Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's Mandy, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Virgo Gem, and we're also going to add some little Hocus Pocus decals to this Mandy. We're starting off today with the gel method, and we're going to be dipping into Stormy, which is a really gorgeous gray. It has like a white undertone to it. It's more on the lighter side, but it's a great gray, especially if you like nail art or decals and you don't want to use like a stark white. This is a really good color to have in your collection. It's a very like neutral, diverse gray, and it's going to complement so many different skin tones because depending on what colors that you pair with Stormy, it's gonna either pull warm or cool. So that's really awesome with this color. And then we're just gonna do two nails with this, and we're gonna do one full decal on one of the nails, and then we're gonna add one of the Hocus Pocus sister decals on the other nail. So it's gonna be kind of fun, and the full sheet that we're using today is like a googly eye. So it's really fun, and I just thought that was perfect for Halloween. Plus, Hocus Pocus is very appropriate for our series, and those decals are part of a Nails Truly exclusive bundle for the month of September. Okay, so the star of the show is this gorgeous micro reflective glitter called Jade. Now, this right here, it's just phenomenal. It's the perfect amount of sparkle. It is very full coverage. I mean, check out that first dip here. Oh, that sparkle is everything, and there's other colors to pick from, which are perfect right now for that fall season as well because the colors are amazing. These dip powders from Virgo Gem, they apply super nicely. You can see here they work great with the gel method, but Jade is phenomenal. Plus, I really like how it has like this sagey green to it, which is perfect for fall right now. But overall, such an amazing dip powder and a must-have. If you haven't tried Virgo Gems, I definitely recommend checking them out. If these colors are not something that you're gravitating towards, there's tons of other beautiful colors. You're going to find something that catches your eye, and the quality of the dip powders are totally phenomenal, but I cannot get over the sparkle. You could easily get away with one coat, which I love that about this glitter. If you're someone that just wants to like build up strength on your nail and you want to just do one layer of this and then do some clear, you totally could get away with that, and the sparkle is still going to be there. But when you dip it in that second time, that sparkle is even more intense. And this mani has like a couple different lives on its own, so it looks really awesome indoors. You still get that sparkly goodness. But then when you're outside, that like reflective glitter is just going to hit you, and it's going to be very powering and the perfect like reflective sparkle. It's like a whole nother level of sparkly goodness. All right, so let's dive into this mani process here. Don't forget, we are on day 9 of our Halloween series. Don't forget to look for that picture for the giveaway, and I will pop back in just a little bit. wrapping up here with this nail wrap, I'm going to trim some of that bulk away, and then I'm going to go in with that flat brush that has a little bit of acetone on it, and I'm just going to carefully go ahead and remove some of that extra decal that's hanging over the sides and just make it all become one. And then I will take that same brush and I'm gently going to tap on the top of that decal in the nail just to remove any air bubbles or lines that may be in that decal. But adding a decal is just so fun, and it just really, to me, adds a little pop of art. I'm really bad at like hand drawing and like freestyling manis with like nail art and brushes, so I like that decal is just a simple solution for me to add and enhance my manis. And there's decals for any holiday, any type of mani or flower that you're going for. You're going to be able to find a decal that's going to go with your mani. But how fun are these decals? I sealed them in with a layer of gel base. I also did gel base on the other nails and cured it for 30 seconds. And now we're going to finish up with a layer of gel top coat. I'm going to finish up the rest off camera. And here's the finished mani. I love how this turned out. Jade really pulls in with these decals, so that googly eye has that green background. It's almost the same color as Jade. And then the one of the sisters here for Hocus Pocus, her jacket is green. So I really like how we're pulling in the elements of green in this mani, and you can't go wrong with that epic sparkle that Jade has to offer. Also, that background that we did for that decal, that gray, that stormy, you can see here it's more of a softer effect to the nail versus if you're using a white. So this gray is perfect, especially if you like adding decals. It's just another way to just make your mani a little bit softer. I mean, sometimes you want that really bright white background, but stormy is definitely the way to go when you're going to work with some darker colors and just kind of make the background a little bit softer. I really like how this turned out. And these dip powders applied amazingly with the gel method, and you could see when we were applying them that they were very full coverage. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in the description box below. Don't forget that image that you saw pop up, that's going to be your entry today for that Google form for the giveaway, and I will see you all in the next spooky one.